What's up guys, it's your boy Python21 again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add tables to your HTML website. So without much ado, let's get started. So we are going to start with our basic HTML page as usual. So I'm just going to write my shift exclamation, hit enter, and this is a basic HTML page. So I'm going to run quickly in it and focus on the main target. So we are going to start with this table tag in HTML. So we have a table tag in HTML that serves as a container for our table data and our table information. Let me put it that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and write this table tag. So you see table like this, hit enter, and then our table information goes inside this table tag. Okay, so the first one, we have a table row tag for taking data based on a row of the table. Okay, so per every row of the table we can put a specific information in this table row tag. Okay, so the first table row tag, what we will put inside is our table head, th for table head, and then the table head we are going to put three data. So I'm going to say number no like this, and the second table head I'm going to say name, and the third one I'm going to say age, like this. So let's just see start our server and see what we are doing. Okay, so this is our server, and so we can see our no here, we can see our name, we can see our age. So let me just use this to put it at the right side. Like this, so that we can see whatever we are doing. So this is our server at the right here. So now let's add another row to it. So table row, so this one is going to take table data. So the number, we have number 1, table data, name, you see Philip, sorry, and then the next table data, you see age, so I'll say 35 like this. So now you can see number, name, and age here. So I'm just going to duplicate this using Alt Shift down arrow, save, and sorry, I'm just going to duplicate the rows. Okay, sorry about that. So Alt Shift down arrow, save. Okay, so now you can see let me just change the data so that it doesn't look awkward. Daniel is merely 25, John is 85, Peter is 15. So now you can see our table here, the data, this is a column here, age taking all our ages, name taking all our names, and no taking all our number. So this one should be 2, this one should be 3, and this one should be 4. So this is how you can add tables to your HTML. For the sake of this video, I want to add small CSS to make it look nice and attractive. So we are going to use our style tag. So for those who are new to CSS, I'm going to add CSS. I'm going to upload CSS tutorials as part of my videos, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Leave a like and your comment as well. So I'm just going to use one or two CSS properties here. So when we are writing CSS, we write it like this. The first name is going to be property. Okay, so if it is firstly we use the highlighters. Okay, so the highlighters we have class, we have IDs, and we have attributes. Okay, so I can give this my table a class like this, and I'll say class table. Okay, then I can use it as a highlighter in my CSS, so I can see dot table for classes. Okay, like this. If this place is an ID, if it's an ID like this, then instead of dot table, I'll say hash table. You get it? Yeah. And most of the times we use these two to style our HTML to make it look attractive, either class or IDs. They are the most common ones. So now let's just add some CSS to our table. So let's say the width to 500 pixels, and then height to fit content, and display flex, then margin auto, okay. So whatever okay, so let me just say add some padding as well, padding to 20 pixels like this. Okay, now let's add some to our rows. So I can just say tr and give it a height of 50 pixels. Let me give it beige. Beige is a color like this, and then our table row is also going to have a padding. Padding is the space between within our row. Okay, so I'm just going to give it 20 pixels here. Okay, that seems no reflection, but when we talk about the data is going to work. So now let's add the same padding here, 20 pixels as well. Save. Now you can see it look a little bit nicer. Okay, and then our table data, I'm going to make the width, each of them is going to have like let me say 200 pixels width. Yes, so now you can see it looks quite nice. Now let's add some color to our table head. So I'll say background color to green, and this will change the background to green, and then I'll say color to white, and this will make the text color to be white. So now we can see our table looking pretty nice. Okay, so you can see it in the middle. Okay, our table is located in the middle. So let me just use the CSS to explain why our table is in the middle and all that. So when we check our HTML here, you can see width is 500 pixels. That is from here up to here. Let me use this place to check it for you. Okay, so this is our table. Okay, close the console. So this is our table. So width 500 pixels. What it means is that from the beginning of this place to this place is 500 pixels, and then height fit content means that the height should be automatic. Display flex means that this display of this should be flexible. Margin auto means that put it in the middle. Okay, in the middle. And then padding 20 pixels, so that means that put add 20 pixel space inside our width of 500 pixels, width and height. So you add some space inside it, so you can see that this is a space, 20 pixel space inside of this our table. Okay, and then let's take each item. So this is our table body. The table row is like this, and I think this one was quite simple. It's only background, and I gave it a height of 50 and background, and padding is also 20 pixels. Okay, so I think this is quite understandable. So thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'm going to teach you a lot in tech, and I know a lot personally, and I'm going to give all to you for free. So all I need from you is to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment, and also like the video to boost me up on bringing you a lot of tutorials. See you in my next video, and we call it a day.